Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the series in which I am making a game ready asset in Blender and Substance Painter. In this part of the series, I am gonna texture the asset in Substance Painter. So I am gonna use these settings. For document size, I am gonna use 2K, and for normal map format, since I am gonna use this asset in Unreal Engine, I am using DirectX. So I'm gonna select the file from over here. This is my low poly file. First we will load the low poly file. Now we will start baking high poly mesh on this. So we will go to the baking option from here. Select the high poly mesh. For output scale, I am gonna bake it on 4K. I will enable the height map, and in anti-aliasing I will put it on 4x. I'm gonna decrease the frontal distance a bit, something like this, and I'm gonna start baking. Okay, the baking process is done. Now we will start making textures. First we are gonna create a wood texture for the crate. So in the layers tab, I'm gonna make a new folder, name it wood, and I'll search wood here. Let's go to smart materials, and we have here this material, wood ship hull old. We're gonna use this one. You just drag and drop it over here. Okay, so this looks good. Let's make some changes in it. So first, in base, you can see the vine's direction is like this, but I want to make it like this. So I will rotate it by 90 degrees. Okay, we will do the same thing for the second one. We are gonna do the same thing for the fibers as well. We will rotate them by 90 degrees, and we can just hide the vines. I'm also gonna hide the stains, so it will look something like this. Okay, this looks good to me. Now I will add some edgeware on it. So for that, I'm going to make a new fill layer. We'll name it edgeware. We will add in a black marks to it, and then we will add a fill. No, we will add a generator, and we will add a metal edgeware. Something like this. We are gonna play with the settings a bit. Okay, this looks good. Now we will change the color. We will copy this wood color from over here. And we will paste this in our edgeware like this. Okay, now we will increase its softness and decrease the height a bit, something like this. Okay, now I'm gonna make some chips over here, like wood chips. So for that, I'll go in textures and find something similar to chips. Let me see. I think we can use the scope app. So we are gonna just drag and drop it over here, and we will decrease the balance a bit. reduce the scale, something like this. Let's increase the contrast. Okay, it looks something like this. I don't think this is looking good, so I will add something else which have less white in it. I think this will work. Okay, this looks good, better than that. Let's play with its setting. Something like this looks good, but now the thing is, you can see I'm gonna do this one. Now the thing is, only one of these are working. Like, I want to use them both, so we will go in this layer and turn it to screen, so both will have effect on it. Okay, something like this is good. We can add a little more color variation. Let's play with color a bit. Maybe we can add more color variation over here. Let's put it to 3 and change it like this, something like this. Okay, this looks good. Now we will put a marks on this layer. We will put this in wood and we will add in black marks to it, and then we will select the wood object. It only affect the wood object, something like this. Now I need to add some warning stickers over here and TNT over here, TNT text. So for that, we'll go in this layer, create a new folder. We will call it as decals. Okay, now we'll search for danger. We'll search for danger in alphas. Okay, this will work. We'll insert it as a marks and rotate it like this. Okay, this looks good. We will turn on the roughness and make it rough, something like this. Okay, this looks good. Let's put it inside of decals. We'll search for caution. We'll use this one. Let's put it over here. We'll insert it as a marks. Put it inside decals. We'll change its color to dark red, something like this, and also increase the roughness. Okay, this looks good. Let's use this one as well. We'll use it on top of this. Something like this. We'll put this in decals. Let's select both of these. And let's resize it. By selecting the sign, scaling it like this, and we will do the same thing for the caution sign over here, something like this. Let's put it in this corner, it will look much better over here. Or something like this. This is not the best way to add decals, but it works. Okay, now you search for text. We'll come in fonts and find a good font. I'm gonna use this black ops one. You just drag and drop it over here and edit as a marks and scale it and rotate it, put it over here where in the text box we will add TNT over here like this. Change the placement a bit. Let's put it center in the center. We'll move the question a bit down. We will increase its roughness. Let's put question a bit down. Something like this. Okay, this looks good. Now this looks very new, the paint and stuff, so we'll add some grunge on it. So we will add in a black marks, then we will add a fill. We search for grunge in textures. We'll find something. Let's try this. Let's increase the balance a bit. Okay, let's add another one with more white in it. Something like this maybe. Maybe something like this. You can try to decrease the balance a bit and screen them. Something like this. Okay, this looks good. Maybe we can change white colors. I don't know, this looks good. Okay, so I think the wood part is done. Now let's start texturing the dynamite stick itself. Let's create a new folder. Call it dynamite sticks. Okay, let's find a nice smart material for it. Maybe something in plastic. Maybe this. Yeah, this one looks good. Yes, we'll use this. Maybe we can change the color a bit. Something like this. We can add some chips to it as well. Adding black marks, adding the fill. Let's use this one. So increase the scale. Reduce the balance, increase the contrast a bit, and copy the color from here. Use it over here. I didn't copy it properly. Let's pick it from over here and make it a bit lighter. Something like this. and let's just increase the roughness and decrease the height a bit, something like this. Okay, this looks kind of cool. You can also add in a text over here, and let's search for let's go in font, use that font again. Black box. Yes, here it is. We are gonna use this, apply it as a mask, use it over here. Right now this looks a bit blurry, but I'm gonna export the textures as 4K, so it will look good. As you can see right now, it is displaying as 2K textures, so it is easier for us to work. We're gonna do something like this, and we'll change color a bit more darker, something like this, and a bit rough. Let's just put it in dynamite, something like this. It's good. Let's add in a black marks to it and apply it on this one. Okay, now we will make tape texture. So for that, we search for plastic and smart materials. Kind of a glossy plastic, something like this. We can decrease the roughness, increase the roughness a bit, and also increase the variation. Okay, let's add a black mask to it and select these two objects, and over here as well. And now for the string, as you can see the TNT is coming out of the back. We will fix it, but let's first get the string material. So we'll call it fuse. Let's just use a fill layer over here to make it a little of white, something like this, and just increase the roughness a bit, something like this. And now add in a black marks and select all of these. Okay, this looks good. Now let's fix the TNT over here and decals. This is the one. Let's push it out, something like this. Okay, this looks good. Okay, I should have put everything over on this side, but no problem, this is fixable. We will fix this in render. So let's export the textures now. Export textures. Let me set my folder. I'm gonna use PBR metallic roughness, PNG 16 bits and 4K size, and we will export it. Okay, so we are back in Blender with a new scene. We will delete everything, then we will import the low poly version of the crate here. Now let's start building it. I know that I have put everything on this side instead of this, so I will just rotate everything above 180 degree, RZ 180, something like this. Now let's start making the dynamic stick. First I'm gonna copy this stick over here to use it later. Then just grab this one on y-axis like this, and then we just duplicate it on z-axis like this. Then we will put our cursor over here. We will select these vertices in the middle, shift S, cursor to selected. Now we will use 3D cursor over here, and then shift D Y 60, shift D Y R 60, shift R, shift R, shift R, shift R, something like this. Now we will put this back over here like this, and we'll just combine everything. Okay, this as well, something like this. Let's just rename it as dynamite. Now let's just combine everything over here, call it as box. Okay, and I combined it, let's call it as stick. Okay, you can just delete this cube over here. Now we will add materials to it, so I'm gonna turn on a shaded mode and open shader editor over here, give it a new material, call it as create material, press shift Ctrl T. Okay, we have to enable node wrangler first, so we will go in edit, preferences, add-ons, and search for node. We turn on node wrangler, then we press shift Ctrl T, find our textures, we'll select everything and deselect the height because we are gonna use normals anyway, something like this. We will remove the already existing material first. Okay, so we will remove this material, use this. Okay, since we are using DirectX, the normals are flipped, so we will have to fix it. We don't have to do this in Unreal, but since we are using Blender and Blender uses OpenGL, not DirectX, we will have to fix it. So for that, if we while baking you use OpenGL, you don't have to do this step, but since we did it in DirectX, we will have to do it. So we will have to invert the Y. So we will go to normal and drag out like this and search for separate color like this. Then we will add invert color over here, invert color. Then we will add another combine color, combine green. Then we will put red over here, green over here, and then color over here. So now the normals are inverted. We will remove materials from everything else, and then just select like this, press Ctrl L and link materials. Okay, now you can design the crate as your liking. I'm gonna put this one over here. Let's put the pivot to center and put it like this. Okay, something like this looks good. We can give a little rotation to every one of them so they don't look the same. Something like this. Let's have another one on the ground like this. Something like this. Complete like this. Okay. Then we will use this stick over here and use it over here like this. And then we just, okay, we have a small issue over here. We should have pushed it a little bit more, but no problem, it's okay now. But while you are creating it, keep this in mind. Okay, let's do something like this. Object set origin to geometry, dash shift Y, shift X, and the shift R, shift X, something like this, and the shift R. Just give them some random rotation. Something like this. And let's just select all of them and duplicate it on x-axis like this. You can just delete this one and now select select some of these and duplicate it on z-axis like this. Then let's have some height variation like this. Okay, this is it. So here I conclude this series. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask in comment section, and also if you have any suggestions for me, you can drop them also in comment section. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.